Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to show you how to properly wear a respirator mask.
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Isn't that right, guys? In addition to home renovation, we purchased this 32-acre farm, and so we're getting into growing some produce. We are growing tomatoes and salad greens and also microgreens, which are baby vegetables that are loaded with nutritional value. Right, so once a week I have to package up everything that we've sold and then go bring it to where we deliver all of the produce, and that is in a pretty large warehouse, and the other farmers are there, and so they're doing everything they can to limit the amount of people in the building, but it still is a situation where, you know, there's people around you, and so you need to take precautions. So I was kind of astonished because everyone had a different idea about like what is safe. So you had these one group of people, they weren't wearing any face mask at all. And I was thinking, you know, have you guys seen the news at all during the last 3 weeks? Because these probably are times that you would want to wear a face mask if you're going to be around some other people. Then there were other people that would wear like a bandana, and it would just be, you know, just like covering their nose but and their mouth, but it's all open on the bottom. So, you know, I was thinking, you know, is that doing any good at all? Then there were a group of people that actually had proper respirators like this, and the issue was they didn't have them tight, so there were these big air gaps on both sides, you know, of their mouth. And you know, once again, it's really important to secure it so that you have a good seal around your mouth and your nose. All right, to put this mask on, there's just a few steps, and the best thing to do is put it on in front of a mirror so that you can make sure that you've got everything sealed properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the palm of our hand, and it's got these two little straps, and make sure that those straps are on the outside of your hand. So it's going to look like this, and this is the nose part, and it's up here by the top of your fingers, so you're just kind of cradling it. We put it up to our face. We're going to pull the top band on first, and that's going to go behind our ears, and then we will pull the bottom band over our head, and it will be secured behind our neck. Right, the next thing to do is this little clip here is called the M clip, and we are going to adjust that so that it is nice and secure on the bridge of our nose. Then we will check around the entire mask to make sure that everything is sealed. This is the N95 mask, and you can order them on Amazon. You don't even have to leave your house. We are Amazon affiliates, and we receive a small commission from qualified purchases. So we're going to put a link in the description below, and you can order right through that link, and that will help us feed our 6 dogs and our 4 hungry goats. So the goats and I thank you very much for doing that. All right, well, that's all there is to putting on a respirator mask properly. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the like button, that really helps out our channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks very much for viewing. Stay safe, and we'll see you in this video.